Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In our previous video, we explored the exciting world of Google Cloud and its powerful compute engine service for managing virtual machines. Today, we will delve deeper into a time-saving technique called instance templates. But first, let's set the stage. Today, we are diving into Google Cloud's compute engine. We will explore the struggles of manual VM creation and how instance templates in GCP can streamline the process. We will break down what instance templates are and their key features. We will also discuss the server configurations and demonstrate through a live demo. So, let's start with the introduction of Google Cloud. Google Cloud offers a comprehensive suite of cloud computing services. Compute Engine is one of its core services which allows users to create and manage virtual machines hosted on Google's infrastructure. Compute Engine provides on-demand access to scalable computing power, eliminating the need for upfront costs in physical hardware. Users can choose from various machine types optimized for different workloads, operating systems, and software stacks. Think of VMs as your own customizable computers running in Google's data centers. Now, creating multiple VMs with same configurations might seem straightforward. But let's be honest, it can also be a real pain. Configuring each VM takes time. And let's face it, one typo and boom, there goes your perfectly planned server setup down. Imagine you need to deploy 120 identical VMs for your web application. Manually configuring each VM takes time and effort and opens the door for potential errors. Here's why manual creation can be a hassle. First is time consuming. Every VM needs individual configuration for machine type, boot disk, network settings, and more. Repeating this process slows down deployments. And the second one is error prone. Manually entering configurations increases the risk of typos or inconsistencies, potential leading to system instability. Thankfully, GCP offers a solution: instance templates. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, organizations need to deploy applications and services rapidly. Instance templates play a crucial role in accelerating deployment speed by automating the VM creation process. Creating a new VM becomes as simple as selecting the desired template and specifying a few parameters. So, what are instance templates? Let's break it down. Instance templates are pre-configured settings that define the characteristics of VM instances you create on Google Cloud. They encapsulate all the details of a VM's configuration, such as machine type, boot disk image, network settings, and more. Instance templates are blueprints for creating virtual machine instances in cloud computing. They ensure consistency and uniformity across all VMs by adhering to the same specifications, reducing the risk of configuration drift. Instance templates support startup scripts for automating tasks like software installation and application configuration during VM launch, streamlining deployment. By updating the template, administrators can easily propagate changes across all VMs created from it, simplifying infrastructure maintenance. This centralized mechanism is crucial for maintaining application stability and reliability in Google Cloud environments, ensuring VMs behave predictably and reducing the risk of errors or compatibility issues. Let's dive into what makes them an essential tool for efficient virtual machine management. Number 1. Standardized VM configuration. Imagine having a blueprint for your perfect VM. This blueprint, which is what an instance template is, Lets you define all the critical details like machine type, boot disk image, labels, and startup scripts. We will discuss more about these VM details in deep in the later part of this video. By using a template, you ensure all your VMs are created with this exact same configuration. This is a game changer for consistency and avoids configuration drift. Number 2. Efficient VM creation. Now that you have your perfect template, creating new VMs becomes a breeze. Think of it like baking cookies. You have your recipe and you can whip a batch whenever you need them. Here's the power: you can use a template to create individual VMs, perfect for one-off needs, manage instance groups, ideal for large-scale deployments where you need multiple identical VMs, reservations, secure resources for future VM needs, future reservations for VMs. Number 3 is immutable configuration. One key point to remember: once you create an instance template, its configuration is locked down. This might sound restrictive, but it's a good thing. It ensures consistency and prevents accidental modifications to your VM setup. If you need a different configuration, you simply create a new template. Think of it like version control for your VMs. Now, we will be cracking open the hood and exploring the different server configurations like machine types, boot disks, and network options at your disposal. First up, we have machine types. Think of them as the different car models you can choose from in the Google Cloud Garage. Each type is optimized for a specific task, so picking the right one is crucial for peak performance. General purpose. This category is the most renowned, encompassing several machine series like N1, N2, N2D, C2, C2D, and E2. These machines provide a balance of CPU, memory, and storage, making them suitable for various tasks like web servers, application servers, and development environments. Compute optimized. Designed for CPU-intensive workloads, these machines prioritize high clock speeds and multiple cores. Examples include the C2 and C2D series, ideal for scientific computing simulations and batch processing. Memory optimized. If your workload demands substantial memory, these machines are your pick. Series like M1, M2, and M3 offer abundant memory capacity catering to in-memory databases, large data analytics, and memory-intensive applications. Storage optimized. For workloads that heavily rely on storage access, machines like the Z3 series come into play. They provide high storage performance and throughout, making them perfect for data warehousing and log processing. Accelerator optimized. Google Cloud offers machine series with built-in accelerators like GPUs and TPUs to enhance performance for specific tasks. A2, A3, and G2 series fall under this category, ideal for machine learning, high-performance computing, and graphics processing. Now, let's talk about boot disks. These are the storage units where your virtual machine resides. There are two main categories. One is persistent disk. These disks hold on to your data even after you stop or restart your VM. You have two choices: standard persistent disks or SSDs. HDDs are cost effective for bulk data storage, while SSDs offer blazing fast speeds for booting your VM and frequently accessed data. Local SSDs. These are super fast disks attached directly to your VM. They are ideal for temporary storage that needs exceptional performance. But beware, data disappears when you stop your VM. Second one is custom image boot disks. Want a pre-configured environment? Create a boot disk from a custom image containing your preferred operating system, applications, and configurations. Boot up your VM with everything ready to go. Finally, let's explore networks. Here, types can be interpreted in two ways. Google's network infrastructure. This massive network connects Google's data centers worldwide, ensuring smooth data flow behind the scenes. User created networks, VPC. You can create your own private network within GCP called a virtual private cloud. Think of it as a secure enclave with Google's network. You control resources like subnets and firewalls to manage traffic flow within your VPC. There are even different VPC network modes depending on your desired level of control. There you have it, folks. With this knowledge under your belt, you can choose the perfect machine type, boot disk, and network configuration to optimize your Google Cloud experience. Let's get started with a demo. We will be creating and launching an instance template in the Google Cloud console. If you don't have a Google Cloud account, head over to our previous video on Google Cloud Part 1. Step 1. Accessing the console. Open your web browser and head to the GCP console. Log in into your account and select the project where you want to create the instance template. Step 2. Creating the template. In the left-hand menu, navigate to the Compute Engine section and click on Instance Templates. Here, you will see a list of existing templates or the option to create a new one. Click on Create Instance Template. Step 3. Specifying details. Now, we will define the key settings for your template. Let's start with a clear and descriptive name for your template. This will help you easily identify it later. For example, if your template is for a web server with a specific operating systems, you could name it as Thinknyx-testOS1. Now it's time to choose the location for your virtual VMs. Select the region that best suits your needs. Consider factors like latency and proximity to other resources. Now, pick the machine type that provides the optimal resources for your VMs. This includes CPU cores, memory, and storage. Consider the workload your VMs will handle when making this selection. Now, define the operating system image for your VMs. You can choose from pre-configured images offered by the platform or upload your own custom image if needed. Specify the size and type of disk based on your VM's need. After that, configure the network interface card for your VMs. This involves selecting the network they will connect to. Step 4. Final touches. The console offers additional options for advanced users. You can configure startup scripts, scheduling, and user accounts for your VMs within the template itself. Step 5. Saving and launching. Once you have defined all the settings, review your configuration and click on Create to save your instance template. Now let's see how to launch a VM from this template. Click on the Instances section under Compute Engine and then select Create Instance. On the left side, you will see multiple options. From there, click on New VM Instances from Template and you can see your newly created template listed. Choose the template and configure any additional setting specific to this instance. Finally, click on Create to launch your VM based on the template. Congratulations! You have successfully created and launched an instance template in Google Cloud. This template will now serve as a blueprint for deploying consistent and scalable virtual machines in your project. To recap, Google Cloud Instance Templates are a tool for streamlining VM deployments in Google Cloud. They save your time, ensure consistency, and provide a solid foundation for scaling your infrastructure efficiently. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Google Cloud tips and tricks. Until next time, keep clouding.
Thinknyx. You trust, we deliver.